Okay, another common question is, how do I know when my gutters need to be replaced? Well, sometimes there's issues with just the fasteners. There's places where these long nails are used and then the holes just become so loose they're impractical. There are now screws and brackets that work much better. There's also straps, which are not as aesthetic but effective. So sometimes you can go in and replace some of these brackets and restore the gutters. The other challenge with the gutters might be that the aluminum is so bent up and there are so many problems with seals that it's impractical to replace them. The older types of gutters still available are vinyl and plastic, and over time there's enough UV damage to those gutters that again, it's impractical to maintain the ones you have, and it's time to replace them. And lastly, we like to think of gutters as level, and they should look level, but they don't really work very well unless they're angled slightly towards the areas where you have your downspouts. So if it's no longer practical to adjust these so that they're guiding water in the right directions, sometimes it's necessary to replace them.